From his window on the 7th floor, he looked down on the city, casting dreamy eyes upon the places he had seen. The mantle told the stories of his travels through the years, and the dust it told another of how long ago it's been. Now the sailor wiped the mist away from the window of his memory, gathering his thoughts, another story I'd soon know. Grandpa, can you tell me of all the sights you've seen, of the one that you go back to every time you dream? There's just something in my heart I can't explain, and the wonders there are that I have seen. In the land of saints and sages, proud throughout the ages, there's just something about Dublin in the rain. Well, some time had passed before I got the chance to go and see. I stood there on O'Connell's bridge, I was drenched up to my knees, and the words the old man told me and the songs he would sing, they haunt the streets of Dublin from the Liffey to the sea. Well, I've done my share of travelling, I've seen all I could see. I found myself a sweetheart, she means the world to me. My children had their children, and now Dublin is my home. My grandson, he says, Grandpa, look, it's raining, can we go? 'Cause there's just something in my heart I can't explain, and the wonders there are that I have seen. In the land of saints and sages, proud throughout the ages, there's just something about Dublin in the rain. There's just something about Dublin, from the North Wall to Kilmainham. There's just something about Dublin